Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands and you keep getting this launch error with their code service update failed, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, which is Steam for me. You're going to right click on Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands, go into install files, click verify and declare to your game files here, and while it's doing that, you're going to click browse on here to open up Tom Clancy's games folder, or you're going to go to its location manually. It should be in your Steam's directory. Here it is. Right click on Tom Clancy's EAC file, click properties, compatibility, click on run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply, okay, and then you're going to go to your EasyAntiCheats folder. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the EasyAntiCheat underscore setup file, click on properties on it, go into compatibility, click on run this program as an administrator as well. After that, click apply, okay, and then run it as admin. When you run it as admin, you'll have a repair service button there. You're just going to click on it and then it will try to repair the EasyAntiCheat on your computer. After it's done with that, you're going to go ahead and try to play the game. If that fixes your issue, then good. If it doesn't, then I have another fix for you. You're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to download the new EasyAntiCheat.exe from here. Once you've done downloading it, now you're going to move this file into your EasyAntiCheats directory. So the default directory should be in your C drive, program files or program files A6, and then EasyAntiCheat. Now what you're going to do is you're going to paste this here. And when you paste it here, you're going to click on replace the file. Once you do that, now you're going to go ahead and try to play Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that launch error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.